In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide participants on Zoom. If your Zoom meetings feel cluttered with blank tiles or profile photos when cameras are turned off, this quick walkthrough will help you clean up your view. We're going to use a built-in setting that hides participant profile pictures from your screen. This doesn't remove anyone from the meeting or affect their ability to speak or share. It simply trims visual distractions so you can focus on what matters. First, open Zoom. You can go to the Zoom website in your browser or launch the desktop app. Either way is fine. The setting we'll use appears while you're in a meeting, so let's get you into one. Join an existing meeting or start a new one. Once you're connected, give Zoom a second to load the interface fully. You don't need to be the host for this view change. It applies to what you see on your own device. Now, look at the bottom toolbar of the meeting window. If you don't see it right away, just move your mouse over the Zoom window and it will pop up. This toolbar is where you'll find controls like mute, stop video, share screen, and more. Click the Participants button. It looks like an icon of people and will open a side panel showing everyone currently in the meeting. This panel lists names, and depending on your view and Zoom version, you may also see status icons like raised hands or mics. Inside the Participants panel, find the More option. It typically appears toward the lower right of the panel as a button or 3 dots. Click it to reveal additional options related to how participants appear on your screen. From that menu, click Hide Profile Pictures. The moment you select this, Zoom will remove participant profile photos from your view. People who have their cameras off will no longer show their avatars. Instead, you'll see a simpler display, usually just their names, resulting in a cleaner, less distracting layout. This change only affects what you see and won't notify others. A couple of quick notes to keep everything clear. This setting is visual only and doesn't mute, remove, or limit participants in any way. It also doesn't change cloud recordings or how others view the meeting. If you later decide you want to see profile pictures again, return to the same More menu in the Participants panel and toggle the option back. And that's it. By opening Zoom, joining a meeting, checking the bottom toolbar, clicking Participants, selecting More, and choosing Hide Profile Pictures, you can instantly create a tidier, more focused meeting view.